How to fix Instagram other stories not showing issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the problem where Instagram is not showing other stories on your home screen. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart the app. First, close the Instagram app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch that clears up with a simple restart. Step 2. Clear cache. If you're on Android, try clearing the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Then, reopen Instagram and check again. Step 3. Check for app updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there's an update available for Instagram. If yes, update it right away. Many bugs are fixed in new versions. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Another quick fix: log out of your Instagram account and then log back in. This refreshes your session and can restore missing stories. Step 5. Switch accounts if you have multiple. If you have multiple accounts logged in, switch to another account and then switch back. This sometimes resets the story feed and shows the other stories section again. Reinstall Instagram. If none of that works, sure,